Noise's latest affordable smartwatch could be for your kid. Check out the details. Noise has introduced a new affordable smartwatch, the Scout, in India, but this time, its main audience is kids. The new Noise Scout has a number of safety features in addition to the usual smartwatch perks. Here's a look at its price, features, and more. Noise Scout. Specs and features. To keep things safe for children and help parents keep an eye on their whereabouts, the Noise Scout has inbuilt GPS and geofencing technology for real-time location data. It also supports GSM and AGPS. There's the option for parents to mark safe zones so that they can get notified when the kids go somewhere else. Users can also access the SOS feature in case of emergencies. Plus, the smartwatch comes with 4G SIM card support for two-way calling, one-way video calling, and the option to reject and block unknown phone numbers. It has a 1.4-inch IPS LCD display with 500 nits of brightness and a screen resolution of 240 x 240 pixels. Users also get more than 150 cloud-based watch faces to try. The health features include a heart rate sensor, a sleep tracker, and a step tracker. The watch also has a 2-megapixels camera and the ability to store up to 50 images. Kids can play inbuilt games, enable the school mode to stay distraction-free while studying, and even use the habit formation feature for them to inculcate healthy habits. The Noise Scout can last up to 3 days on a single charge and comes with an IP68 rating for water and splash resistance. All these features include parental controls like sending reminders, accessing the phone book, and more can be used via the Noise Buddy app. Price and availability. The Noise Scout is priced at 5,999 rupees and can now be bought via Amazon and the company's website. It is available in twinkle purple and racing black colorways.